preaching in those moments that was so effective in creating that separation?
Why are you using the word preaching? I'm kidding. I just want to say hello to all the Grace Fellowship Church members. Siyempre mag-ano na ako magbabati sa mga lahat ng nagdadasal para sa amin dito. And yeah, it was our game of runs. Of course, it's really difficult knowing that Titan can do. If we scouted their team, nakita naman natin grabe na naman kung umiscore yung mga yan, especially kapag tumatakbo sila. So we were just weary of that. We tried to clean up the things that we had to clean up coming from NLEX. Sprinting back, turning the ball too much. And so, yeah, nakabawi kami, especially this guy, nakabawi din. Finally, he was able to shoot. I thought he was the best shooter in the PBA, but okay, now he is again, because of tonight.
Thank you, Coach Peter. Now we would like to open the floor for friends from the press.
Coach, good evening. Good bounce back after that loss against NLEX. What's going on in your mind?
What's going on in my mind is we're trying to get our groove. 9 games. To be honest, we'll be happy with 7-2. So it's something that's doable. So if we split the next games, diba, makapanalo kami ng isa pa or ano ba kami? 4-1? 4-1. So we'll try for a 7-2 at least. Doable naman yun. That's what's on my mind. Secondly is we're trying to incorporate Coach Leo back into the fold. So if you noticed a while ago, he was there. He was actually siya ang taga-bulong. So baka next game magpalit na kami ng roles at mawala na yung interim stress ko at nasa kanya na ulit. Pero for the meantime, syempre, we know that Coach Leo is the 11-time champion. I don't know, 11 ba? Parang mas marami, parang mga 20 yata eh. Pero, di ba, but that is not as important as what's happening for him. Of course, we know health comes first. Sometimes we have to pause and say, basketball is not the most important thing until it becomes, the health becomes the most important thing. And then we go back to basketball. So he's just taking his time. I'm sure some of the questions will be towards that, and we're just happy that he's right in front there and more active, and that's what's on my mind.
Jerry, good evening. You seem to be finally settling down with San Miguel. It's your best scoring out of the game. Just your thoughts about that.
I think today was a good showing for me, just because of the way I've been playing, and I kind of hold a high standard to myself, and the past couple games I haven't been playing at my best. So today I'm just glad that I found a rhythm early and that I was able to also get my teammates involved, so that today was a good showing for me, and just gotta keep it rolling.
Seem to have a fan there in Norris Mantua.
Yeah, he's the one I sit next to in practice every day. So me and him have gotten kind of close, and I've just been able to talk to him every day, and he's been making San Miguel comfortable for me.
Coach, your next game is TNT?
I think so. Yes.
Getting at kami mo pawin kayo healthy generally.
Generally speaking, pero CJ is not far from 100%, maybe 75-80%. You know why he played a while ago. Si Junmar is like 85-90%. But we're okay. I know that they're more banged up because nanggaling sila sa championship run na natalo nga sila in 7 games. So, mas nauna kami nakapag-practice. These guys were early with us. So, we think that it's going to be still a difficult game. Now, sabi nga namin sa dugout, there's three things in life that are certain: death, taxes, and that all teams will play well against San Miguel. That's just something that we have to get used to.
Ako si CJ ba, kasi di ba na-injure sa last
Oo.
game? Is it not on ball injury or na-injure
No,
talaga siya?
bagong injury siya. It's a groin pull that shows up in the... Ito yung sitwasyon eh. Si CJ doesn't feel so much na masakit. Pero dun sa kanyang x-ray, parang dun nakikita may konting punit. Pero sa kanya, if it was the finals or if it was something semis, maglalaro siya. So we're just trying to manage his injury.
Pero yung kaninang pinasok siya, anong reason doon? Purpose para yung parang papawis yun?
So, papawis. Para maka-contribute. Bakit?
Next, ano lang?
Yeah.
Because if the situation nga,
Oh.
what made you decide to put him in?
So that he might be a little comfortable. And,
May sasabihin.
okay. Galing sa kanya, hindi sa akin. Alright.
That sums up our post-game press conference.